Natural ways to heal cold, cough, and sore throat. As the seasons change, many of us tend to get cold, cough, sore throat, and fever. This might be small now, but if not treated, it becomes complicated. When you are caught by cold, cough, and sore throat problems, you should drink warm water whenever possible. Stay away from cold-natured foods like plum, guava, banana, custard apple, pineapple, gooseberry, and grapes. Eat popcorn and roasted chickpeas. Avoid oily foods. Avoid juices. Natural remedies to heal cold, cough, and sore throat. Salt water gargle. Yoga says clearly, gargle helps loosen up the mucus, so gargle with warm salt water 3 to 4 times a day. Take steam. Take steam to relax the muscles and loose up the mucus. Cinnamon and honey. In 1 teaspoon of honey, add 1/4 of cinnamon powder, and lick it 2 times a day. Be in sunlight. Being in sunlight naturally heals by soaking water from the body. Drink turmeric milk. Drink warm milk with a pinch of turmeric powder. Magical kata. Follow these methods and natural remedies to get healed naturally.